Synergy. It's more than just a buzzword. It's the driving force behind two pioneering companies revolutionizing the electric vehicle industry. Meet Phoenix Motorcars, blazing trails since 2002. Phoenix has been at the forefront of medium-duty electric vehicles, offering an impressive array of shuttles, flatbeds, utility trucks, and more. With over 5 million miles already driven, we've proven electric vehicle reliability and our commitment to sustainability. Thanks to our dedicated team and cutting-edge technology, we're proud to offer vehicles with up to 141 kilowatt hours and 150 miles of range, built on the reliable Ford E450 chassis. And then there's Proterra. Established in 2004, Proterra had become synonymous with heavy-duty electric transit buses, serving over 135 customers and delivering over 1,000 buses in North America. With over 50 million miles driven, Proterra's commitment to innovation and sustainability is unmatched. Now, witness the power of synergy as Phoenix Motorcars unveils its new branding, PhoenixEV, combining the strengths of both companies into one dynamic force. From medium-duty vehicles with over 20 years of experience to Proterra's groundbreaking ZX5, boasting up to 738 kilowatt hours and 340 miles of range, PhoenixEV offers unparalleled solutions for a sustainable future. Trading on NASDAQ as PEV, PhoenixEV is poised to lead the charge in commercial electric vehicles, with plans to expand into light-duty trucks and integrated solar technology. Join us as we pave the way for a greener, more efficient tomorrow. PhoenixEV, driving innovation, electrifying the future.